Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so let's start and continue the case study, what you are looking into. The case study one. Okay, the case study one. Let's begin this. And the title of the case study. The title of the case study, okay. Copy data from Azure blob storage. Copy data from Azure blob storage to Azure blob storage. Copy data from Azure blob storage to blob storage. And now the specifications. The specifications of the day. So specifications are nothing but the the description what we have to do it. Okay. So here the specification is the source, all of you, source data storage. The source data storage, and when we talk about the source data storage, the source data storage is the Azure blob storage. So the blob stands for what? Binary large object, which can store any kind of data. Which can store any kind of data. So again, you have also files. So source data storage, and then we have the files. Okay, so let's make it a file here because I want to copy only one file. So this file is nothing but airlines.csv. And now guys, the next one is sync data store or the sync data storage. And the sync data storage is okay, Azure blob storage. Azure blob storage. Azure blob storage. And as per the specifications, we have to move. So this is the source and this is the target. So guys, the steps. So the steps what we have is the step one. We can say step one. So the step one is what? First one is create a resource group. Create a resource group. Create a resource group. And the second one is what? Step two. Yes, guys, I want an answer. Tell me now. Create a storage
Storage
account for what? I can say for source. Am I right?
Yes.
So I can say it for the source. So again, next one, what is that you have it? Step three.
Create sync storage account.
Yes, create the step three is the create a sync storage. Create a sync storage account. So that is nothing but create a sync storage. So you can say like this, create a storage account, and now in the brackets you can mention it sync, because there we don't specify anything for the sync system. Okay. And the fourth step is what?
ADF session.
Yes, guys. The fourth step is the create data factory session. Create the data factory session. And the step 5 today is, guys, once the data factory is there, select manage tiles. Select manage tile. Okay, select manage tile. Select manage tile. Okay, select manage tile and choose. Select manage tile and choose. What is it? Select manage tile and choose. That is nothing but select manage tile. Further, okay, select manage tile and create a linked service. Create a linked service. So basically, this is the fifth step. And again, the step 6 is what? Create a data set. Create a data set. Or create a data sets, you can say, because you have to create the 2 data sets. Okay, one for the source and one for the target. And finally, the next one is step 7. Create pipeline. Create the pipeline. And step 8. Assign data sets. Assign data sets to the pipeline. And finally, the 9th step, guys. This is the 9th step. Then we have what's it? Trigger or debug. Trigger is basically automated method. And debug is what? Debug is nothing but this is the normal we have it. Okay, that is manually we can run the process. So these are the steps we have it. So these are the 9 steps we have it, guys. So let's move here practically and we'll just finish it off today. Okay. So all of you, are you there, guys? So as per the specifications, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go ahead with the process and then we'll just start up the things. So everyone is able to see the screen. Now I'm sharing this Google screen, all of you. So I'm taking up the 4 different tabs, one for the source and one for the target and one for the data factory and one for the resource group. That means these are the 4 tabs. It's not essential to take, but at this point of time, I don't want to create any kind of confusions between you. So because I want every one of you to understand it in a proper way. So hence I'm just making it off here. You just open this, all of you. Just open portal.azure.com, but whereas I have already saved it here, so hence I'm not using it. So use this portal.azure.com portal.azure.com. So just use this. So guys, used portal.azure.com. So guys, I'm just these are the four. It's not necessary to have these four portals. You can do it on the same, but to just avoid confusion. That's it. That's the only purpose of opening all this. Okay. So guys, everyone, first of all, go with the first step, and today we'll complete all the steps. We have it 9 steps. Okay, guys, create a resource group and till a debug. So I'm just going ahead with the process. Everyone, am I audible and you're following or not? Please update me, guys. Hello?
Yes. Yes, Samir, we are following.
Very good. So now let's go ahead. So guys, click on the create. And now give the resource group name. So I'm giving first, what is it? First case RG. First case RG is the name I'm using it. First case RG. Click on the create. First case RG. So this is ready now. And again, the next step, guys. What is it? You have it. So let's go to the storage account. So I want to create the blob storage. So just go to the storage account, everyone, and click on the create. So I'm creating it the storage account. So give the storage account. I'm using it a source. Source Durga Soft DS. Okay. DS is nothing but okay. Anything. Source Durga Soft. Source Durga Softs. Yes, that's it. So anyways, review it and create it. So again, the source is being prepared. So meanwhile, I will prepare another storage account to make the process faster and avoid the time of waiting. So just click on the create tab. Click on the create tab. Click on the create tab, and here you have it. Okay. So just give it here. Sync storage or sync Durga Soft. Sync the Durga Soft D softs. That's it. So just review it and then create it. just create it. So the source is ready. Guys, the source is ready. And the next one is sync is being prepared. So meanwhile, I will create the data factory as well. So for that, just go to the data factory, everyone. And now once you have been to the data factory, select it here, click on the create tab. And now guys, select it here, the resource group, and now give the name. So I'm using instance, instance what is it you have it? Okay, blob to blob copy. That's it. I'm using it. This is the name I'm using it. Okay. Anyways, blob to blob copy first. Anything. So this is anyways instance blob to blob copy first. Any name you can use it. So I'm using the blob to blob copy first. So just click on the review. And the next one is click on the create. Create. That's it, guys. So the data factory is also ready now. Now I'm going to the sync and start the sync here. So now, guys, this is the source. But now, guys, when the source is ready, what is it you have to do? You have to add the data to the source. Am I right? Everyone, am I audible?
Yes, Samir.
For adding the data, we have 4 different sources of data. On the left blade, you can see data storages. These are the 4 storages you have it called containers, file shares, queues, and tables. So first of all, we'll start with the container. Click on the container because you have to add the data now. So click on the new container and now add any name you can use, but I'm giving the name as input. So this is a container which is just like the folder, guys. Okay, this is a folder here. So just open this input container and upload the data into this. Browse it. So once you browse it, click on this data files. So we have many files are there, but I'm choosing the file here. So I'm choosing the file that is called as airlines.csv. Upload. That's it. So now, guys, here you have the source is ready. You want to see the file? I'm opening this file just for visibility purpose. I'm just opening this. Click on the edit. See now. So this is the file, guys. ID number, name, code, and country. Okay. And then afterwards, go to the sync. And now the sync, same container. And now click on the create. And now use it here. Output. I'm using the container name as a what? Output. So see here, everyone. So guys, the source is ready and the sync container is ready. But here you have to load this data. Am I right? From the source, you have to copy the data to the sync system. That is the actually purpose of this case study. So I'm just going to the data factory. Now let us start to this data factory. Everyone, are you there, guys? Now launch the data studio. Hello?
Yes, Samir.
So launch the data studio, then afterwards So guys, here you have it. So now click on the expand tab, and now guys, click on the expand tab, select the manage style here. Select the manage style. So now guys, just have a look here. Click on the link service. So for every storage, you have to create one link service. So as you have the two storages, we will have to create two link services. Click on this. Okay, click on this, and again use it here. ये लेने में do. Okay, guys. So now here you have it. What's that? So just go to this data factory, and now click on the new. Click on the new, and now here you have what's that? BLOB.